Hi everyone, this is Nitesh from CubeLelo and today we'll be unboxing the long-awaited GAN's 2020 flagship Speed Cube GAN 11 Pro. And I'm very excited to take a look at GAN 11M Pro. But before I proceed, I would like to thank to all our subscribers for supporting us. We are constantly trying to make regular videos, not just about reviews, but much more than that. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so for the latest content and the notification. GAN 11 Pro comes in 4 versions: Frosted White, Frosted Black, UV Coated and Soft Stickerless. Today we are going to look at the Frosted Black version. The new box looks pretty cool and beautiful. GAN has reduced the size of the outer box by optimizing space. This is looking really classy and it resembles the packaging of iPhone 12. So let's go ahead and take a look what's inside the box. So here we can see awesome looking holographic card with a rainbow decal and some social media QR codes in the back with the pic of GAN 11 Pro in the front. Next, we have a Cube Station card. If you have a Cube which is compatible with the Cube Station, you can download it from here. We get 2 boxes inside and you can see why the GAN 11M Pro outer box is small, as it is very space efficient. Let's take this out. I'm gonna save this cube for the end. Let's take a look at its accessories box first. In this box, we have a GAN pouch, the same one which comes along with the other flagships, a 3x3 tutorial guide, a pamphlet that has information about the functionality of the adjustment system and the new magnetic system. Next, we have a small accessories box. Let's open it. This has hexagon shaped magnets which goes into the bottom of the corner, which we'll see how it goes in the later part of the video. The cube already comes with the triangle shaped magnets pre-installed. I'm not sure which ones are stronger and I don't think that was mentioned in the guide. So I'll switch the corner magnets to test which one is stronger later on. The small accessories box also has a dark blue distance travel nut and the adjustment tool for the core. Now let's have a look at the world's smallest and the cutest screwdriver. I think this flathead is going to be used to adjust the edge magnets. We'll see it later how it works. Now moving on to the cube, you can see this super protective case that not only looks great but also it's very easy to open and it opens just like this. I've never seen such a cool box for a cube. I must say that the GAN access box was really difficult to open. You can also use this box to keep the cube. Now let's take the cube out. Wow, it's such a lightweight cube, weighs just 63 grams. Size is as usual 56 mm. I'm really enjoying this cube as it is very lightweighted, feels as if it is completely hollow. It doesn't distract me when I'm solving it. Honestly, its solving feel is awesome, super smooth and buttery. I'm really impressed with its corner cutting. It's just top of its class. It's about 50 degree. Reverse corner cutting is pretty standard for all GAN cubes. The surface of the cube has a frosted plastic finish. The other 2 versions, soft and UV coated, have a rubbery exterior and UV protected exterior respectively. Now, let's have a look at its internal mechanism. I will take out its edge first. This is the frosted version and it has the primary internal and has a classic honeycomb structure just like GAN access. Now let me take out the corners. The corners has scalloped looks and we have magnetic adjustment here at corner piece. We need a screwdriver here to adjust the corner magnets as you cannot really do it with your fingers. So we have to adjust it like this. Gently try to move the magnets to the left, middle and right positions. 1 is the weakest, 2 is medium and 3 is the strongest magnetic field. This feature is a little bit backward step from GAN as the earlier GAN flagships has an easy process to change the magnetic field. The corner magnets also comes with a pre-installed magnet. This one is in triangle shape and to change or remove this magnet we need to twist it 60 degree anti-clockwise and pull out towards our hand. It was though not easy to do it, but yes, the different process to change the magnets. So to put another magnet inside, we have to insert it and put it and rotate it clockwise. And now we'll have a different magnetic field. Now we will look at the most interesting feature of this cube, which is the magnets at the core. GAN has adopted a new magnet positioning system, GAN magnetic system, or you can call it GMS V3. Overall, with 8 magnets at the core, the magnetic force between corner and core is more dominating than the magnetic force between corner and edge. It gives the puzzle a perfect combination of a low startup resistance and even magnetic field while turning. It has the same GAN elasticity feature which was there with GAN Access. You can open the center cap and push the distancing nut down and twist it to get the desired distance adjustment. Overall, there are 4 adjustment settings, with light blue has 1 and 3 distance option and dark blue has 2 and 4 distance option. In order to release the nut and replace it with another one, you have to twist the nut to the 5 symbol point. For adjusting tension, you can insert the GS nut from the 3 matching slots and turn it anti-clockwise to increase the tension. With every turn, you can hear the sound of a click. Overall, there are 6 tensioning options. Overall, with 4 distance adjustment options, 6 tension options, 3 options at center edge magnet and 2 options at bottom corner magnet, you can have total of 168 customization settings, which is really great. GAN undoubtedly comes with different ideas. We are paying for this premium flagship cube, the most expensive on the market, but certainly with awesome and amazing features. All versions of GAN 11 Pro M are available only on cubelelo.com. The links are mentioned in the description box below. If you enjoyed the information in this video, do hit the like button, press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel for all the latest content. Thank you and happy cubing.